Yo, what's up guys, welcome to a new video, only a quick one today. So we're going to search an emoji, so you're going to go to your emojis and there should be a search bar at the top. This is for iOS 14 only. And once you've searched the emoji, it will come up with like suggested emojis. So search for woman, there we go. And it will come up with that, man, come up with a man. So this is really easy guys, it'll help you find your emoji. It's that simple. Lots of emojis there, you don't know what's what, so this will like clarify what it is. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for more good content coming soon.